How to fix Destiny 2, Beyond Light crashing on Windows PC. 1. Verify the integrity of your game files in Steam. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Set high priority. Like this. 4. Disable the shader caching and video control panel. 5. Remove, via Steam, then reinstall Destiny 2, Beyond Light app. Note, delete the Destiny 2 Beyond Light folder at c:/program files, x86, /steam /steam apps /common.